Steps to invest $50,000 in silver for the best silver IRA companies. In an era of economic volatility, securing your retirement with tangible assets is crucial. Here's the guide to investing $50,000 in silver through the best silver IRA companies. 1. Understanding silver IRAs. A silver IRA is a self-directed IRA allowing physical silver investments, providing a hedge against inflation. 2. Choosing a custodian. Select a reputable custodian to manage your account, handle silver assets, and ensure IRS compliance. Consider reputation, experience, and fees. 3. Opening an account. Complete an application and submit necessary documents to open your silver IRA. 4. Funding the IRA. Fund the account through direct transfer, rollover, or direct contributions, adhering to IRS limits. 5. Selecting silver assets. Choose IRS-approved silver coins and bars like American Silver Eagles or Canadian Silver Maple Leafs. 6. Purchasing silver. The custodian will facilitate the purchase of silver using IRA funds. 7. Secure storage. Store silver in an IRS-approved depository with high security and insurance. 8. Monitoring. Regularly track the performance of your silver investment and stay informed about market trends. 9. Adjusting holdings. Make adjustments based on market conditions and investment goals, including buying more silver or diversifying. 10. Distribution rules. Understand the rules for taking distributions, either in cash or physical silver, starting at age 72. Investing $50,000 in a silver IRA requires careful planning and management, ensuring a secure financial future through the enduring value of silver. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.